Today we are going to be going on a guided journey to Paradise Point. A point where your problems don't exist. A place where there's no such thing as worries or self-doubt. All there really is love and peace. Paradise Point is a place in your mind that you can return to at any point during the day. Not just during this meditation practice. Paradise Point is a safe place where you can mentally reset during times of high anxiety, during times of hardship. We're going to travel there together today. And I'm going to guide you there using my voice. That's all you have to focus on right now. You are walking along a beach with white sand. The sand is warm, but as you dig your feet in deeper, you can feel the coldness of the sand underneath where the sun rays have not touched yet. And as the sand moves in between your toes, you feel a connection with the world. It's a reminder that you are a part of this planet, an important part of this planet. And I want you to keep that connection throughout this meditation. This is home. You are safe. You continue walking along the beach. The waves are slowly crashing against the shoreline. The waves aren't big, probably only 1 to 2 foot. It's evening time, so the sky is orange. Birds are flying overhead, seagulls. There are a few people walking around you, but mainly the beach is free. There are sand dunes to the left of you, with beautiful greens and oranges where plantation is growing. There are a couple of clouds, but mainly clear skies. Focus on your breathing. You're breathing in the fresh sea air right now. This is Paradise Point. This beach is a place where you can return to in your mind to escape your worldly problems. As you breathe in the fresh air, the more and more relaxed you feel. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. As this meditation continues, you just get more and more comfortable. Your worldly issues are escaping your body, moving into the sand below your feet. You can hear the sound of the wind blowing against the shoreline and against the sand below you. You see some of the white sand moving graciously, almost like it's dancing around your feet. And this reminds you of the great journey of life, how you can just be taken away at times with the current, with the wind, and you don't really know what direction you're going. But you also have faith that you're going to land securely and comfortably, and you're going to be more well-travelled. So although sometimes life may take you away and things may seem difficult, you will return to home eventually, an improved person. I want you to try and adopt this perspective. Your problems are just chances to improve. And Paradise Point is helping you to see this. You're not caught up in the thick of it. All there is right now is this gentle sea breeze against your face, the sound of the seagulls above you, the ocean crashing smoothly into the shoreline, and you breathing in this fresh air. Your mind is free and you see clearly now. Keep breathing. You are in paradise. You are at peace. You are safe. You can let go. As you walk along this beach, you feel this overwhelming sense of love. It's almost like a mother's love, where you just feel secure and safe. This is because you currently have a strong connection with Mother Earth. This connection is always here at Paradise Point, and it's with you in your everyday life if you choose to be present and grounded. There's always security in the present moment. Paradise Point emphasizes this. Use this as a reminder. Your worldly issues have no power over you. They are all temporary, and the only thing that really exists is you and this connection with the planet. This good feeling that you're feeling right now is the real you. The you that can exist in your everyday life. If you let yourself return to this point. And Paradise Point doesn't even have to be a time where you stop for 20 minutes to half an hour to imagine. Paradise Point can be an unconscious reminder for you. So as you are traversing throughout the day, you can mentally reset. Paradise Point is an area of your mind that you can access at any given time if you choose to. Let go of your worldly problems in the present moment. Paradise Point is the true you, the one that's connected with the world around you. The one that doesn't belong in this material world of big buildings and fast-paced 9-to-5 lives. Just know that this part of you can never be touched. If you choose to come back to this point, Paradise Point, on a frequent basis, then your life will improve dramatically, and you won't get so caught up in things that ultimately don't really matter in the grand scheme of things. So breathe in the fresh air of Paradise Point. You belong here. You are always welcome here. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have an amazing day. And remember, you can return to Paradise Point whenever you need to.